Good evening, guys. Today we are back with another problem and wishing every single one of you a happy and prosperous Diwali. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and so that we can produce more amazing contents. So what we can see is inserting in a sorted way in a sorted W linked list. It is saying that we will be given a sorted W linked list. So if you see 3, 5, 8, 10, and 12, they are all in sorted order. They are all in sorted order. Okay, and what we are going to do, we have to insert a value x. We have to insert a value x. Say for example, over here we are taking the value x as 9. So when we put the value x as 9, then the sorted double linked list will become 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, and 12. So that now this thing again becomes sorted, and the 9 is being added in the correct position. 9 is not out added in the front or added at the back. It is added right at the correct position between 8 and 10. Between 8 and 10. Okay, so what is the algorithm? First, we have to create a new node and initialize it with x. Okay, then the edge cases are there if the list is empty, and if the x value is lesser than equals to head.data, then we are going to add the new node before the head. Okay, and then we have to update. We have to traverse it. We have to traverse until and unless we find the right place to insert the value of x and adjust the previous and the next pointers, and then we have to return the head. So it's a simple problem. We have to just select which value of x is greater than the previous or the lesser than the next value, then only at that particular position we have to insert the new node. Okay, time complexity is O of n. So let us try to understand it with the help of the code what we have solved. Okay, so as you can see that we have been given a node constructor for creating the node class. After that we have a class sort w linked list where we have created a function to insert it in the sorted order. First is the base case. We have checked the base case whether it is null, means the list is empty, then we are going to add return the new node. And if x value is lesser than the current position of the head, then what we are going to do, we are going to insert. This is the condition for inserting. New node dot next becomes head. The value present at the next node becomes my head. Previous value becomes the new node, the one which we are inserting, and then we are going to return the previous value where we are. Okay, and the current is head. So all these conditions are needed to be checked and satisfied. When we are checking a while loop, which is going to help us to traverse until we are finding the correct position of the x. We are going to traverse the loop until we are finding the correct position of the x. Then we are going to swap the positions of the nodes to select and place the node in its correct position. Okay, that's how the entire problem needs to be done. Here you can see there are some additional functions: creating a list, converting our doubly linked list to an array list. These are all given in the driver, and this is the main function. So what I will do is I will just try to execute this part of the code, which is just this much. Okay, and try to check whether this thing works or not. Okay, so I'll just put this, okay, and submit my solution and check whether this thing works. Yeah, it passes. Hopefully it passes all the test cases. So make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for always supporting me. And recently we just crossed 200 subscribers. A massive thank you to you guys who have made this thing possible. Let us meet tomorrow with another problem statement.